Hello everyone. Christ, deemed to be University, Pune Lavasa campus, is nestled amidst the scenic hills of Sahyadri. The lush green beauty of Lavasa, with all the year-round pleasant climate, makes it conducive for a holistic development of our student community. Here at the School of Law, we offer undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral programs in law, as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India and the University Grants Commission. Two undergraduate integrated 5-year degree programs, namely the BA LLB Honours and the BBA LLB Honours, not only offer the students an opportunity to pursue more together, but also ensures they are fully nurtured and ready for the society they step into. With this, we have also one postgraduate program, Masters in Law, LLM, with both Intellectual Property Law and International Trade Law and Corporate and Commercial Law, along with a Centre for Research for PhD program, extended from the Bangalore Central Campus. We've incorporated a number of special opportunities such as internships, clinical programs, supervisory research and writing, with experienced faculty on board who come with an immense amount of experiential teaching and a revised curriculum every year as per the need of the society. We carry a very strong industry-academia interface. School of Law grooms each student through a well-focused mentoring program, while also planning various co-curricular and extracurricular activities that are mapped program outcomes, ensuring transfer of knowledge in a creative and engaging manner. The campus is filled with resources at the reach of the student, so they can practice having a feel of the real-world scenarios. We begin training our students from the very first year in moot courts, trial advocacy, and mediation and negotiation. Time and again, we also invite various national and international industry experts to train our students through guest lectures, workshops, and seminars, so they understand the scenarios they might face if they choose to work internationally. We can conclude by stating that Christ Lavasa campus has not only met its standards to ensure students have developed into legal professionals, but has also lived up to uphold the university's vision of excellence and service. Thank you.